Here is the surprise. Not every credit card approval is good news. Some cards are like a cheap phone plan that looks great until the bill shows mystery charges. A card can approve you, then hit you with big fees, tiny limits, and high interest. Credit is not just a score. It is a risk story. The wrong card can make that story look shaky. Here's what you'll learn in today's class. Spot high annual fees that waste your money. Identify low limits with sky-high APRs. Avoid sneaky fee harvester credit cards. Recognize store card traps with deferred interest. Master the Schumer box for true costs. Let's get started. Here are some key terms for this lesson. Schumer box, the table on a credit card offer that shows the real costs. APR, the yearly interest rate you may pay if you carry a balance. Annual fee, a fee you pay once a year just to have the card. Credit limit, the most you are allowed to spend on the card. Fee harvester card, a card with many fees. Deferred interest, interest that is delayed, not erased, unless you pay the full balance by the deadline. Risk profile, the full picture of how risky you look to lenders, not just your score. Now let's jump in. Think of a credit card offer like signing up for a gym. The front page says only $10 a month. The fine print says setup fee, yearly fee, late fee, and cancellation fee. Credit cards work the same way. The part you must read is called the Schumer box. That is the table that shows the real rates and fees. An annual fee is money you pay every year just to keep the card open. That can be fine if the card gives real value, like travel credits or strong rewards you actually use. But if the card charges $99 a year and gives you nothing helpful, it is like paying for a grocery membership at a store you never visit. Watch out for tiny limits paired with huge APR. APR means the yearly cost of borrowing if you carry a balance. Imagine a $300 card with a 36% APR. If you use $250, your credit report may show high utilization. Utilization means how much of your limit you are using. High utilization can make you look maxed out, even if the balance is small. Some cards are called fee harvester cards. That means fees eat up the card before you even use it. Picture getting a $300 limit, but the card starts with $175 in setup fees, program fees, or monthly fees. That is like buying a pizza and opening the box to find half the slices already gone. Your report may show a high balance right away. Store cards can be useful, but deferred interest is the trap door. Deferred interest means the store says no interest if paid in full by a certain date. But if you miss that date, even by a little, they may charge interest from the original purchase date. It is like a library saying no late fee, then charging every day from the day you checked out the book. Lenders do not just see a score, they see your risk profile. That is the full story on your credit report. They look at balances, limits, payment history, age of accounts, and the types of credit you use. A bad card can make the story look messy. Low limits, high balances, late payments, and heavy fees can make you look harder to approve. Before you accept a card, pause like you are reading a lease before moving in. Check the Schumer box. Look at the annual fee, APR, late fee, monthly fee, setup fee, credit limit, and rewards. Avoid cards that start you buried in fees. Never carry a balance on deferred interest. And ask 850 AI to help you compare offers before the fine print bites.